Hello reception children, welcome to Number Bonds to 8 with Mrs. Wilson. So we're going to be looking at the number 8 and how we can split that number into two groups. First of all, we need 8 items, and I have got 8 Pokemon here. So I'm going to put the Pokemon into my tens frame. So when we use a tens frame, we start by counting here in this top left hand corner. We fill up this line and then we start on this line. So here we go. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I've got 8 Pokemon. If I put my hand over these ones, how many Pokemon have I got in total still? I still have 8. Now, I'm going to put 8 dots on here now to represent the Pokemon that we have. So, I'm going to pretend there's a Pokemon here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's where my Pokemon was standing. That's their places. And I'm going to put on some of the Pokemon into the tens frame. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Pokemon in the tens frame. How many Pokemon are missing? How many do I have in my hand? I have the rest in my hand. Are you saying 3? If you are, you're right. 1, 2, 3, and I have a total of 8 still. So that's one of our groups. 5 and 3 make 8. So let's write that down on a piece of paper. So I'm going to take the 5 Pokemon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I've got my second group. 1, 2, 3. So 5 and 3 equals 8. So instead of and, we sometimes put add. Really means the same thing. Here, 5 add 3, and the total is 8. Let's try another group now. I'm going to go back to my tens frame. This is where all of the Pokemon were standing. Now I'm going to put in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, oops, 5, you could stand up, 5, 6, 7. So I started with 8 Pokemon, there's 7 now in the tens frame. I've got the rest of them in my hand. How many have I got in my hand? Are you saying 1? You're right. If you're saying 1, you are right. There's 1 Pokemon. So 7 and 1 makes 8 Pokemon. So let's try making that group now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and another group of 1, bit of a lonely group there, 7 and 1 equals, how many have we got in total? 8. 7 add 1 equals 8. Let's do one more group now. We're going to go back to our tens frame. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many Pokemon are missing? How many have I got in my hands? Are you saying 1, 2, 3, 4? You're right. I have 4. 4 here, 4 in my hand. Altogether, I have 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's write it. Here's my group of 4. And here's my other group of 4. 3, 4. Four add or plus or and 4 equals, how many Pokemon have I got in total? Yep, I still have 8. None of them got lost. See how many groups you can make.